In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an account on Herofx. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to herofx.co. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the right hand side where you'll see register, or you can also go to the middle of the screen and click get started. Once from here you'll simply need to click on it, and from here it should look something like this where you'll be able to enter in your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, password, repeat password. Then from here you'll be able to enter in a partner code if you want to do that. You can also click here if you don't have a partner code, and then you can just leave this blank. From here you'll also need to click I have read and agreed the privacy policy and confirm that are over the age of 18. Once from here you'll need to click register, and from here you'll be able to be asked a bunch of different questions about how you trade. You'll need to send in your ID or a picture of your ID so they can prove that you are actually over the age of 18. Once from here, you'll be able to go inside of the dashboard, and now from here, you'll be able to use Herofx like you normally would. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!